Okay, so this is test number 2. I'm trying out the microphone attached now. Before, the test was, obviously without the microphone. So now I'm trying this with my Rode microphone and trying to see if I don't get that sound that Jay was saying that I was getting, where it sounded like I was in the distance. And I hope this sounds great. So I'm testing. I'm gonna keep saying testing to see how I sound. Oh, see, more like hear how I sound. All right, anyway, here we go. Test number 2. Here we go.